Hi, my name is Richa, and you also fumble, right? We all fumble, yes. But if you watch this video till end, you will not fumble. I bet you. All the best. Hey you! Thank you for coming to my channel once again. अब आए हो तो पहले वीडियो देखो. आज का टॉपिक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. द वेरी फर्स्ट टिप इज टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. बात करना है, सबसे पहले बोलना है. बोलो, इंग्लिश में बोलना सीखो, कॉन्फिडेंस लाओ. टू स्पीक यू शुड नॉट राइट एनीथिंग एंड देन लर्न, और यू शुड नॉट वॉच एनीथिंग, यू शुड नॉट लिसन टू एनीथिंग. टू स्पीक first you have to speak. That might be incorrect in the beginning, but that's fine. You have to just speak. The second tip is you have to use English words. If you have to speak in English, start using English words. For example, if you say मैं साफ सफाई कर रही हूँ, instead you can use मैं clean कर रही हूँ. So use English words slowly, initially, then you can make large sentences. Third most tip is have daily conversation in English with someone who is good in English. If you have a conversation with someone who is also like you, a beginner, then that won't help because that person will not correct your mistakes. Next most important tip is you have to speak slowly. Do not rush, space out your words. If you rush, the person will not understand what you're speaking and the person will always ask you to repeat what you said. The very most important tip which we all Indians do is we fake an accent. Do not fake an accent. We are Indians and we have our own accent, so you can speak in our own accent, and focusing on accent is not important. You can rather focus on correct pronunciation of those words. Every day we learn some new words in English. So instead of just reading them, just try to understand their meanings, their synonyms. You can also try to use them in your daily life. Next most important thing is to learn grammar. Many people feel that just watching movies or documentaries will help you speaking. No. You should not speak incorrect English. Maybe you can take time, you can take 6 months, 1 year, no problem, but speak correct English. Learn grammar. Learn the structure of your sentences and try to build your own sentences. Do not copy or mug up the already existing sentences. Eighth most significant tip is check out your expressions. Whenever you are speaking, you can try to watch out in the camera or in the mirror, because what you speak should also reflect on your face, on your expressions. Second last most important tip is to not literally translate the words from your native language in English. For example, here is the English sentence, let's hang out. And when literally translated, it is Chalo, bahar latakte. So do not literally translate from your native language to English. You can just use your common sense as well, and you can translate the very important, significant words from the sentence. Last but not the least tip is you have to practice all this every day for an hour. You have to focus on speaking correct English and not always fluent English, because it is not necessary that fluent English is also correct English. If you don't understand particular meaning of certain words, just Google it. We have a very beautiful resource, Google. You can just Google anything you want and use the correct words, correct pronunciation, correct sentences, because our focus is on speaking correct English rather than speaking incorrect fluent English. And lastly, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to let me know what more content would you like me to make. Thank you and have a good day.